Hello, this is Meta again, as I was known, Meta Bisschop. My married name is Meta Evenblij. Anyways, when I stayed here at Hemali, the first morning after we arrived, the nurse took us out in groups, showed us what was in the surroundings. In those days, there was no road here. So we crossed over into the forest, and beyond the forest in this direction was the military airfield. It was grass, most of it. So when we came through the forest, we came to the grass, and the nurse said, if you see an airplane coming over you, duck, because it's gonna land and you don't want to be hit by the plane. And what do you know? An airplane came because the military airfield is still there. I don't know if it's still active, but it's there. And yesterday, when the airplanes came over, we all fell on the ground, including the nurse. I think she sat down or something like that. The plane went over us, and then we got up again.